Mm. Oh, fucking hell, I shouldn't have eaten that. Anyways. Hello, everyone. I'm Hatsune Miku, and I'm so happy to be the guest lecturer here at the University of Technology, San Francisco, to talk about blockchain technologies. And I guess let's just drive straight into it. So, first of all, what is blockchain technology? Think of it as a digital ledger, sort of like a secure notebook where you can record transactions, but instead of one person keeping it, everyone has a copy. This is part of the decentralization of um, blockchain. It's distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. It's peer-to-peer reviewed, and it guarantees the fidelity and security of a record of data and generates the trust without a need of a third party. So, the fundamentals of blockchain. Blockchain is made up of blocks, obviously, with data linked together. Each block is like a page that's public and unchangeable. Once information is added, it's permanent and transparent. It's encrypted to eliminate unauthorized access by using cryptographic algorithm to ensure the blocks are kept secure. And each user in the blockchain has their key. Now, oh, the proof of work. Of course, how could I forget? The proof of work is a method of validating the transactions in a blockchain by solving a complex mathematical puzzle called mining. And then the users are called miners. This is where mining for crypto comes from. Here are the four different types of the blockchain technology: public and private, consortium, and then the hybrid, which is a hybrid of public and private. Public has a complete idea of decentralization where there are no restrictions to who can access the blockchain. Private is not decentralized, as the public blockchain only selects nodes can participate in the process, making it more secure than the others. Consortium is a creative approach that needs an organization. It's also called federated blockchain. And hybrid is a mixture of private and public, where some people can see certain things and other people can see everything. So, why is blockchain important? Here's why. Blockchain is essentially promising and revolutionary technology because it helps to reduce security risks, stamp out fraud, and bring transparency on a scalable way. It is incredibly useful for companies. Originally popularized in the 2010s, like myself, by its association with cryptocurrency and NFTs, as its use of bringing stuff that is more secure and creating a currency that doesn't need, a bank or you can spend it anywhere. It's a universal currency, which is pretty cool. And why would we use the blockchains though? It's all about the trust. Normally, we trust banks or middlemen with our money and data, but with blockchain, we trust the code itself. You can send money or store data without the need of a middleman. And again, it is peer to peer reviewed. So, the goal of blockchain is to allow digital information to be recorded and distributed, but not edited. In this way, the blockchain is the foundation for immutable ledgers or records or transactions that can't be altered, deleted, or destroyed. So this adds to the security of it and the trust that companies have in it because it will always exist. It cannot be destroyed. And that is part of the chain. You cannot break the link of the chain. The chain exists with the data or currency. And here are the ways of using blockchain. So we discussed Bitcoin, payment, transfers, banking, but you can also use it for smart contracts. These are self-enforcing contracts in the code with no need for lawyers as they automatically follow the rules in the program. And blockchain is also changing the face of industries like healthcare, finance, or voting. For example, it can store secure medical records or run transparent elections. And in the music world, some people use blockchain to manage music rights so creators can track their work. That is where I come into it. There are some challenges, however. So, here is blockchain and Bitcoin. Bitcoin is run off of the blockchain. So, the blockchain technology was outlined in 1991 by Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stornetta, two researchers who wanted to implement a system where document timestamps could not be tampered with, as it was a massive issue. But it wasn't until almost two decades later, with the launch of Bitcoin in January 2009, that blockchain had its first real-world application. There was a story back in the day of a pizza man that was tipped with 1 Bitcoin. Now, at that point in time, probably let's say 2001, it was completely useless. But by the end, it had become a valuable pizza of about 2 million. The Bitcoin protocol is built on a blockchain. In the research paper introducing the digital currency, Bitcoin's pseudonymous creator, Satoshi Nakamoto, referred to it as a new electronic cash system that's fully peer-to-peer reviewed with no trusted third party, reiterating what I just said. So, here are the advantages of blockchain technology. It's open, verifiable, permanent, tighter security, efficient, and cost reducing. You don't need a middleman. But it does have some challenges. Blockchain can use up a lot of energy, and scaling it to work globally isn't easy. But engineers are working on a more efficient alternative, like proof of stake. So, conclusion. What is the future of blockchain? It's a young technology, but it could change with the help of you guys. Here's how we interact with it online. In the future, you might be able to see a web where users fully control their data and identity. So that's a quick look into blockchain. Does anyone have any questions? No? Okay. Then I guess we're all set and tight. Thank you, and stay beautiful. Mwah.